Wow. This is amazing. Yeah, buddy. I love it. Happy Wednesday, everybody! Today, we are going to make the easiest and fastest glazed donuts ever. It's literally only gonna take us like 15 minutes tops. I don't really have much to say. Every week it's the same thing. We're all stuck in the house. So I just hope you'll enjoy this video. Let's get into it. We're going to need biscuits of your choice. I use Sweet Hawaiian because that's all we had, but it'll also make the donuts a little bit sweeter, so that's good. For the icing, we're gonna need half a cup of melted butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 cups of powdered sugar, and I'm gonna sift that later, but it's just in the bowl right now. And then 5 to 7 tablespoons of water. We're gonna make 8 donuts and then 8 donut holes, because obviously you're gonna have holes from cutting a hole in the middle of the biscuit. But we have to open this. The donuts are gonna be air fried too, so they're not gonna be that unhealthy. You're still eating a bunch of bread, but that's besides the point. I love that. Now we're just gonna lay all of these donuts out, these biscuits. You can use whatever stencil you want for this hole. We have like the little circle things. This is mine. But you can use a shot glass too. The holes are just a little bit bigger. But any circular object with a small radius is fine, or diameter. Next, we're going to take our little stencil and cut a circle in the middle. It's kind of hard to get it perfectly in the middle. Oh wow, look at this. We got a donut, you guys. These are gonna be so flaky. They're gonna kind of be like a cronut, but not. And we're just gonna continue to do that for everyone. We're gonna lightly coat the air fryer with coconut oil so it doesn't stick. You can use coconut oil or olive oil, but you shouldn't use Pam because it'll mess it up, apparently. That's what I read online. While the air fryer is going, we're going to make the icing. So first, you're gonna take half a cup of melted butter. I just put it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. Put it in a bowl. And then you're gonna start to add all the other ingredients. I'm gonna do the powdered sugar first. It's 2 cups. Like this. Now, let's add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. It'll add a little oomph and flavor. So, 1, 2. Stir a little more. It's clumpy right now, but once you add water, it'll be better. 5 to 7 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you just add more if you need more water, like you don't like the consistency of the glaze. Oh, baby. This is starting to look good. We're on that. Now, let's check on our donuts. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, yes. Okay. We're gonna take these out and let them cool on the cooling rack. I just took them out of the air fryer and I have a cooling rack, so when I dip them in the glaze, they can just cool on there and the glaze will drip. So I'm going to just do, I think I just wanna do one side, so this is the bottom. Look how pretty these are. So good. And you can see the layers, like the flaky layers because they're flaky biscuits. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna put it in here. Oh my god! These look bomb. This is amazing. Now we're gonna do that to the rest of the donuts. I'll make a time lapse, but the other ones aren't done yet. This is genius. Look at this. That's insane. We even have the sprinkles that they have at donut shops. Yeah, buddy. yeah. If you do an extra layer of glaze as the first one is already dried, then you get the color. Look at these, Mom. Mom, look at them.
Nice. They look like real donuts.
Right?
They almost look like donuts.
Right? That's what I thought they were, but they're flaky biscuit donuts. Here's our donut holes, you guys. Ooh, goodness. Flaky donut hole.
The glaze tastes good.
Right?
Good job.
Really? It's actually good?
Yeah, really good. Did you do the Hawaiian one?
Yeah. I'm a chef, a baker. Okay, now it's my turn. It's time to get down to the business, you guys.
Hi, baby.
Holy macaroni, I am on to something. Oh, it's business. Can I just say, absolute masterpiece. I love it. You guys, y'all should honestly try this too. I've never been so excited about something that I've cooked before. These were so easy, super fast, and they taste phenomenal. So, I will see you guys next week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notified. Ding!